Hello everyone, welcome to A.M.B channel. Today I'm gonna show you simple security and basic extended access control list. Here my topology, I have two web servers here, finance and public, and four PCs here. I pre-configured all IP addresses, so let's start with our scenario. Corporation wants to add security to its network. The requirements are here. First thing, PC3 should be able to use a web server HTTP to access the finance web server. So PC3 access to finance web server by HTTP. Other types of access from PC3 to finance web server should be blocked. So the only protocol I'm gonna use between PC3 to finance web server, it's gonna be HTTP port 80 only. Other protocols will be disabled, so or blocked. How I'm gonna use this? So let's try this. Go to here, go to router 1. I'm gonna show you the IP addresses I configured. Do show IP interface brief. Here FZ0254 default gateway. So let's go here. Access lists. I'm gonna use extended, so it's gonna be from 100 to 199. I'm gonna choose 100. You can choose whatever you want. It's not difficult. 100, 101, whatever. Now I'm gonna do permit because I want to permit from PC3 to finance web server using only HTTP from PC3 here to finance web server by using HTTP. So I'm gonna use permit TCP like this. Host source is gonna be from PC3 10.0.0.3 like this here, 10.0.0.3 PC3. Destination host is gonna be finance web server 1.2 here. Equivalent like this. You can type port number if you know it, but if you don't know, you can choose www World Wide Web HTTP 80 like this. Now I permit only TCP HTTP only. Other protocols will be blocked. Now let's go to, I finished number 1 here, so let's go to number 2. All access from PCs, all PCs I have here in the core or local LAN here to the finance web server should be blocked. All PCs here, all access from my LANs here, LAN 2 here to finance web server, it should be blocked. So in same statement, same access list, same number I'm gonna use access list 100 deny IP because all access in the question here, all access, so it's gonna be IP. Deny from any source to destination. Destination is gonna be finance web server host 192.168.1.2 like this only. Go to the final step here, all hosts in the core and on the local LAN should be able to access the public web server. Public web server here, 1.3 here. So all PCs here should be able to access public web server. Same topology here. Let's go to access same list 100 permit IP from host. Host is going to be public web server 192.168.1.3 to any destination. So it's going to be any like this. All destinations. So I'm going to choose any only. Now to activate access, it should be in interface F00 or F01. So I'm gonna go to interface here, F01 here, and do to activate the access list I created before, F01. I'm gonna choose F01 here, interface F01 like this, IP access group 100 out, like this. It's easy. You can now, if you wanted to check what I did before, let's start with the first one, access list 100 permit TCP host equivalent W, but it cannot ping this. So I'm going to choose PC3, try to ping finance web server. From PC3, I want to ping finance web 1 to 2, and it works. First statement, it works. Let's go to second one here. All access from PCs in the core or LAN to the finance web server should be blocked. So I'm gonna use PC1 to try to ping finance web server also. 1.2, and also it works. Also PC2, try from PC2 to finance web server. It works also. PC4 again, and it works. Also, the last one, all hosts in the core and on local LAN should be able to access the public web server. Public web server 1.3. So I'm going to PC1 to try to ping, for example, 1.3. Maybe something wrong here. 1.3. Let's try to ping from PC2. 1.3. No, maybe I did hear something wrong. From public web server to PCs. So I'm gonna try to ping from 10.0.0.1. PC2. I'm gonna change the access list here. This is statement. Okay. So no, like this, and do it again. Permit IP from source any to host 1.3 like this. Now show run. Oh, I deleted all the access list, so I'm gonna do it again. Now I pre-configured all the access list. I did it before. I'm gonna show you. Show run here. This is access list. First one, permit TCP from host PC3 to finance web server equivalent only HTTP. Other protocols will be blocked, should be blocked. The second one, access list 100 deny from any source, all protocols from any source to destination finance web server. Final command here, access list 100 permit from any source to public web server. Now let's try it again. PC3 should be able to use web server HTTP only. So I'm gonna try to ping from PC3 to finance web server to make sure. Ping 1.3, 1.2. It works. First one, it works. Let's go to second one here. All access from PCs to the finance web server should be blocked. So I'm gonna use to go to PC1 to try ping finance web server. It blocked. PC2 also. Here we go. Now the final requirements here, all hosts in the core and on local LAN should be able to access the public web server. Let's go to PC1, ping public web server 1.3 here. Now, and here we go. It works here. Let's go to PC2 also, 1.3, it works. PC3 also, and PC4, it works. It's easy, simple and basic. Thank you for watching. Until next time.